In this video, you'll learn how to add bullet points on a Notion page. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create organized lists using bullet points within your Notion workspace, enhancing your note-taking and project management capabilities. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome. Make sure it is up to date for optimal performance and compatibility with Notion. Next, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so in the address bar of your browser. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which may prompt you to sign in if you're not already logged in. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your Notion account. After signing in, locate the option to create a new page. This is typically found on the left sidebar under your existing pages. Click on Add New Page to initiate a fresh workspace for your bullet points. You will then be directed to a blank page. Here you will see a placeholder that says Untitled. Click on this area to enter a title for your new page. This title helps identify the content you will create, so choose something relevant. Once you have titled your page, click on any blank space below the title area to begin adding content. This is essential as it sets the context for where you will insert your bullet points. Now, type in /bullet in the blank space. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various options. This feature allows you to quickly access different formatting options available in Notion. From the drop-down menu, click on Bulleted List. This action will change the format of your text area, indicating that you can now enter bullet points. You may notice a bullet icon appears, confirming the change. Type in your desired bullet text. Each entry will automatically create a new bullet point as you press Enter. This feature allows you to create a list efficiently without additional formatting steps. If you want to edit or change the text of a bullet point, simply click on the bullet itself. This interaction enables you to modify the text as needed, ensuring your list remains accurate and up to date. To add more bullet points, continue typing in the blank space following each bullet. You can fill in your list with any relevant items or tasks or projects effectively. Once you've finished entering your bullet points, click on any blank space outside the bullet list. This action will finalize your entries and allow you to exit the bullet formatting mode, returning to the standard text editing interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.